As you can see, I'm using every bit of strength I have to hold on to this coconut tree. And I just hope to God these coconuts don't fall on my head right now. I'm holding on for dear life. There's a good chance that I could blow away and disappear forever. What a great day to go to the beach. Coming at you live from Batangas Island. Over and out. If you're new here, hi, we're the Loggy family. We sold everything back in the USA to move and start fresh in the Philippines. Join us as we travel around Manila before we settle into our new home in the province. If you want to follow along, then please subscribe to our channel and please like this video. Thank you for watching.
Good morning, everyone. We're here in Lian, Batangas. If you watched our last video, you would see that Jason and I were at the hospital to take Anna there for, she had a fever and she wasn't eating. But basically, the point of saying this is we're running on a 1 hour of sleep. We got back from the hospital at 2 a.m. and then we had to wake up at like 3:45. We had to get some stuff ready for the trip. So we didn't go to sleep till 2:45 and we woke up at 3:45 to leave Manila at 4 a.m. to get here. We did stop at Starbucks Reserve, Hiraya, and Tagaytay. I didn't vlog anything. I think I was just so tired. I think this whole trip, I think every video I've been saying I'm sleep deprived. But because we are. I mean, literally, Jason and I have 1 hour of sleep. So we're definitely tired, but we're still, we're here having fun. The name of the cottage that we're at is called Juan, Elena cottages in Lian, Batangas. If I find the link, I will put it in the comments. I'm here with all my family on my mom's side, all the kids. I'm super excited. So we got a cottage for a day tour. So we're here just until 5 p.m. and then we're gonna head back. We're gonna do a little tour and kind of show you guys around. Come follow me. If you look at the water, it's clear. Like the water is clear. The sand, it's not white sand, but the water, it's clear. It's clear water. And so actually all day today was raining. Apparently there's a typhoon up north in the like vegan area, but it was raining this morning. And so I was kind of scared that, the weather's going to suck. I mean, it is really windy, but the rain stopped. I got sand in my eye. So the weather, I think it's much better. I mean, it feels good, right? It's not hot. So I like this weather where it's like not too hot. All right, so this is the cottage we've got. We have the upstairs covered. We have a 2-story cottage because there's like about 30 of us. All right, so let's go here. This whole place, it's like Filipino vibes, okay? So everyone here, all my family. So when you first get here, there's like this little bahay kubo. So this is where we're gonna eat. My uncles are over there. They're making food. Actually, let's go look at this. Oh, yun naman yung fish.
Fresh fish.
Say hi. Yellowfin?
Yellowfin baby tuna.
This is my Uncle Loloy and this is how he's... Oh! Wow! Pag pinafan mo, nagfa-fire. Whoa, that's cool. So that's what they're going to use. They're going to use charcoal to grill our food. So we got tables all around here. So it's like a team effort. Everyone's kind of helping out. This is my cousin at the She's cooking food.
Hi, Bag. Welcome to my guys.
At the Johnny's. Also my cousin, she's cutting up some food. We got the kids there. I mean, it's kind of like a family effort. Like literally everyone is helping out. I mean, everyone except for us because we're vlogging. So come upstairs. Welcome to my crib. So typically, if it wasn't raining, this would be open right here. Yeah, so this place would be open. So let's turn on the lights, bro. And it has 2 bedrooms. Yes. It's got a bed, electric fan. You can stay overnight here, but we're just doing a day trip. Here's another bedroom. Oh, this one has AC. Look. That one has an aircon. So that's super cool. Yeah, I like it. I love this whole vibe. I wish this was open so you could see the view. Pwede pa vlog? Pwede? See, look. So they're climbing up there to release show that view. Okay. Oh, I want to show you guys one thing.
We're selling barbecue about 30 cents per piece.
30 cents US? US dollars 30 cents? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. Here's what I wanted to show you. Come here, look. Look up there. Coconut tree. But there's something I want to show you guys about Filipino culture. Come here. Okay, you see these indents right here? These right here? So these indents are actually man-made. That's what they use to put their feet on to climb up to get a coconut. Oh my gosh, look, one of my uncles is fishing. He has a fishing pole. Do you see that? He has a fishing pole. Okay, so just to recap, we rented this cottage through Juan, Elena Cottages. I actually found them on Facebook, and if there's one thing you need to know about the Philippines, is that Facebook is a good resource for anything you may need. So for a day trip, which is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., the total cost was 10,000 pesos, which is about 175 US dollars. So this comes with a private beachfront property, the 2-story cottage with the 2 bedrooms upstairs, use of AC, the bahay kubo where we all ate, and use of the kitchen and the outdoor grill. It also comes with a karaoke machine, but due to the storm, there was no electricity and the property was just running off a generator. So we weren't able to use the karaoke machine, but we ended up making a DIY karaoke machine with a YouTube app on our phone and a mic and a speaker. So it all worked out. And you're gonna wanna wait till the end for some funny karaoke. This beach is about 2 hours away from Manila, but that's with no traffic. With traffic though, it might take you to 3 hours to get here. As we were driving there, the rain started pouring. And let me tell you, I was really concerned about the weather because I knew there was a typhoon coming in the next couple of days. But my family was not worried at all. They kept saying this is normal and it's just rain and that I was pretty much overreacting. So I just let it go and I'm glad I did because we ended up having such a great time despite the rain. So right by the beach or the cottage that we're staying, it's like right there, right next door. There's a little sari store. So a sari store is like a little convenience store. Do you want to show them? Yeah. So we're getting some liquor, some alcohol. So we got 2 cases of this big, here, look. San Mig. So we got, this is the second one. And then we're getting this right here. And then we got some ice. And we're going to have a good time. As you can see, the rain is starting to pour. It was calm earlier. Now the rain, it's like super windy. But yeah, the kids are having fun. They're out swimming. And we're just having a good time. So rain or shine, we're still going to have fun. Even though there is a typhoon up north, we're still gonna have fun. Hello po, ma'am. Pwede po pa-interview?
Yes po.
State your name and ano po ginagawa mo?
My name is I'm cooking beef caldereta, Pinoy style.
Wow. So ano yung mga ulap? Or wait, what is the food that you are serving today?
Beef caldereta, and then we have chicken spring roll, and we have mussels.
Oh wow, mussels.
Shrimp.
Okay.
And then fish fillet.
Fish fillet. Wow.
Yeah. And then we have barbecue.
Barbecue there.
Yeah, and then mixed veggies.
Nice.
For foreigners, already done cooking Filipino spaghetti. Filipino spaghetti. We have fries for American.
So, Ate Ai, tell them what you did. Like, you planned everything.
Yeah, I love cooking because I work in a BPO. I graduated a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, but my field is different. I love cooking, that's all.
Wow, so passion mo.
Yeah.
Passion mo. Okay. Yan, wow naman.
So I want to be the head on the kitchen. No one will touch my kitchen. Just me. Because I'm one of the team leaders, so I have like 18 agents, so we always have team building. So I want to make sure I'm the head in the kitchen.
Wow.
Every time. So I cook for them. while they're enjoying.
Leader in the office,
Yeah.
leader in the kitchen.
Yes.
Okay.
That's my role.
Long. So, whenever you went fishing, did you catch any fish?
Yes.
You got trash?
Yeah.
Me, Angela, and Sophia got in the water, and then we kept playing a lot of games. We were playing this one game for like almost an hour. We were playing Nanay Nanay. Or I don't know,
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know how you pronounce it.
Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay.
And they were like just teaching me Tagalog. Then a storm came, and it was like really bad. We went back in over there. Show.
Oh, up here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you guys were hanging out right there.
Just watching the storm, and then we were all like huddled up together because it was so freaking cold. And they were just like teaching me Tagalog, basically. And we were like mostly like getting to know each other because I haven't seen them since I was like 2 years old. After the storm was done, we went back out in the beach again. Bro, me and Sophia were crying
Where were
because we got salt water in our eyes.
Oh my gosh.
The whole entire time, Angela and Sophia were like kind of speaking Tagalog a lot to like each other. I didn't understand anything.
That's why you gotta learn, girl. You gotta learn. You're in the Philippines now.
So we came here and we're like, oh, let's go eat. So we got some food. There was like
Oh,
the food.
the food's all gone. Everyone ate already.
Filipino spaghetti, lumpia. Well, I didn't see anything else. And then I just went upstairs and then I started zoning out because like I didn't drink any water and my head hurt so bad. And oh, it's happening again.
Oh my goodness. Beach day during a
My stomach hurt
typhoon.
really bad.
And now we're gonna get you some water because you're dehydrated.
Lagi na lang ako nadalata. Ngunit eto, bumabangon pa rin. Eto ako, basang-basa sa ulan. Walang masisilungan, walang malalapitan. Sana'y may luha pa akong mailuluha at nang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan.
Oh, backup dancers.
Dumi at puti sa aking katawan, ihip ng hangin at katahimikan. Bawat patak ng ulan at ang lamig waring nag-uutos upang maglaho ang pag-ibig. Eto ako, basang-basa sa ulan, walang masisilungan, walang malalapitan. Sana'y may luha pa akong mailuluha at nang mabawasan aking kalungkutan.
Never ends, it goes on and on and on and on.
Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night.
Street lights, people living just to find emotion.
There you go.
Big wheels keep on turning. Carry me home and sing back in.
You're good.
Singing songs mountain Southland. I'm Miss Alabama once again.
And I think it's a sin. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody. We're coming at you today from the island of Batangas, and there seems to be a slight typhoon that's rolling in. I'm definitely feeling the power, the pure, raw power of the winds that it is producing. We knew that we were going to get a storm today, but we did not know that it would be this severe. The weather situation here is definitely escalating to a very severe extent. I'm holding on right now to this tree. Otherwise, I might just blow away with the wind and disappear forever. That's the kind of weather that we're facing right now. You can tell by the look of my jacket that it's definitely blowing at a very high rate of speed. I don't know what that rate of speed is, but it's high. There's a 70% chance that there's a 100% chance that it's going to rain today. We're doing everything we can to stay safe and stay out of harm's way with this storm. But I can't tell you, I cannot promise you that we're going to make it through alive. Coming to you live from Batangas Island. Over and out.